I have Mr. Nekit with me, our local guide in Kyrgyzstan.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. So, sir, just a small introduction, please.
So, just we met our group in
Yeah.
the beautiful city Bishkek. We came and so weather is trying.
Okay.
See, look on this rain.
Yeah.
And now we are going for Botta Chai restaurant in the Bishkek. We will have some food, then we will go to the hotel.
Okay.
See you next time.
Okay. Thank you. Hi friends, we are driving through the city of Bishkek in Kyrgyzstan. Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kalachakra Star 59. Today we are in Bishkek, the capital of Kyrgyzstan, a unique city because it blends Soviet era heritage, Central Asian nomadic traditions.
And the interesting fact about the Bishkek, you will not see any bike in our streets because bike in our country is only like a hobby. Maybe just only 1% of people who is using bikes like a transport, but only for hobby. The mostly people are using cars.
So, two-wheelers are used only as hobby.
Yeah, also only as
Okay, only less than 1% of the population
Yeah.
own a two-wheeler.
And some delivery person who is working
Oh.
delivery, they will using.
I see. Bishkek city lies at the foot of the Tian Shan Mountains. So, snow-capped peaks are visible from almost everywhere in the town. This gives Bishkek the most striking backdrops of any Central Asian capital. What languages do you speak here, Mr. Nekit?
The mostly we are speaking in Russian.
Okay.
Sometimes we are speaking in Kyrgyz language, but if
Okay. Is there much difference between Kyrgyz and Russian?
Of course, because Kyrgyz language is a Turk part, the Turk group of
Okay.
languages,
Uh-huh.
and Russian language is a Slavic language.
Slavic. Okay, right. Okay. I
But
understand.
Kyrgyz language is the mostly using Cyrillic letters.
Cyrillic. Okay.
Yeah,
Yes.
Cyrillic.
Okay. Tell us
So-
something specifically about Bishkek.
This mall on the right side you can show is from where the peoples are starting to count. For example, how many kilometers from one city to next city, from one side part to next side, and so this is the point. Zero. Yeah, it's a city center.
Okay,
Yeah.
city center. Okay, 0 point.
Zero.
Okay, very good.
And
Bishkek is the gateway to nature. Within an hour, you can reach alpine meadows, hot springs, and gorges such as Ala Archa National Park. Bishkek is known for its huge squares, monumental Soviet era buildings, and tree lined avenues. Unlike many capitals, it is a city designed with space and greenery in mind. Bishkek is sometimes called one of the greenest cities in Central Asia.
that White House, and right now there is no gates, no fence. Any people can enter inside of the territory of White House, like in America, and make some photos, some walk around. Yeah, they can hear me.
Yeah.
But then I will speak them in city tour also. Yeah, this only small part on the way.
Is this city square?
Yeah. And day after tomorrow we will come here for city tour. We will park our bus and we will make one round in this area also by walk.
Friends, we are driving through the capital city of Bishkek in Kyrgyzstan.
And till today, the Bishkek is one of the greenest cities in Central Asia.
Okay.
If you will see Almaty, in Almaty also a lot of greenest. But if you will see Tashkent, Almaty, if you will see Dushanbe, and still today, Bishkek is one of the greenest city. If there is a rule in our country, if you cleaned. For example, if there is a trees
Okay.
and they are old, if you sliced one tree, in that place you have to put three more
Okay.
young one.
Okay, very good policy. So,
And right now, in our country, don't have any tax and custom payment for electric cars.
okay.
And government wants to
promote
electric cars because
Okay.
it will be eco.
The scenery outside the restaurant is just fantastic. Look at the beautiful mountain ranges. The mountain peak is covered with the snow. Can you spot it? Hi friends, we are on our way to the Burana Tower site from Bishkek by road. Burana Tower is a minaret of the 11th century and it was built around the mosque, the remains of which have not survived. The original height of the tower was 48 meters, but now it is only 25 meters because the rest was destroyed. Minaret consists of foundation of 5 to 6 meters, which is deep inside ground having an octagonal base. The trunk is decorated with ornamental belts. Entrance to the tower is located at a height of 5 meters from the ground. The spiral staircase, which is made of bricks, leads to the top of the tower from inside. On the eastern side, at a height of 12 meters, it has a window for the entrance of light. The tower is one of the first known minarets in Central Asia.
Lake in Kyrgyzstan is one of the Central Asia's most remarkable natural wonders. It is the second largest saline lake in the world and the 10th largest lake by volume. The lake stretches about 182 kilometers long and about 60 kilometers wide, with a maximum depth of 668 meters. Despite Kyrgyzstan's cold climate, Issyk Kul Lake never freezes in winter because of its salinity and depth. The name Issyk Kul itself means warm lake in Kyrgyz language. Recognized as a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, Issyk Kul Lake is home to migratory birds, including flamingos and cranes. The lake has endemic fish species, though overfishing and introduction of non-native species have impacted its ecosystem. It is often called the Pearl of Central Asia, combining natural beauty, ancient history, and living nomadic culture. Issyk Kul means dry. What is the meaning of that? Significance of that? Even when the surrounding is covered with the snow during winter, the water of this lake doesn't freeze. That is speciality. This lake is about 186 kilometers long and about 36 kilometers wide, and it is a salt lake, and it's called endorheic lake. The meaning of that is the water doesn't flow out of this lake. There's only inflow of water from rivers or from the mountains, but there is no outflow. We are on a cruise ship on Issyk Kul Lake in Kyrgyzstan.
Smile, it knocked me off of my seat. I started falling for you.
Hi Ashwin, thank you for this. Your name, sir? Your name?
Name Sergey.
Sergey. Okay, good. You're from Russia?
No, Kyrgyzstan.
Kyrgyzstan.
I'm Russian from Kyrgyzstan.
Okay. Hello, Muldule. Hi. The captain has been kind enough to allow me entrance here. The captain has been kind enough to permit me to shoot a video from his top cabin. It's a bit cloudy. Might rain, we don't know. We are cruising on Issyk Kul Lake in Kyrgyzstan.
And I knew that I had to be with you. I just knew that I had to be with you. plans, a future so bright. Caught a lift uptown, down by the bay under the stars. I started falling for you.
Ala Archa, often called Ala Archa Nature Park, is an alpine national park in the Tian Shan Mountains. It is located about 35 to 45 kilometers south of Bishkek, the capital city. The park was established in 1976 to protect natural landscapes, glaciers, rare species, and to promote mountain tourism. Altitude varies from 1500 meters at the entrance up to 4895 meters at Semenov Tian Shan Peak, one of the highest in the Kyrgyz Ala too. There are 20 plus glaciers and around 15 mountain peaks within the park. These glaciers feed streams and rivers in the gorge. The flora includes more than 600 species of higher plants, 70 species of trees and shrubs, many medicinal and melliferous, that is, nectar producing herbs, juniper forests are prominent. Fauna includes a range of mammals like Siberian ibex, snow leopards, marmots, wolves, and rich bird life includes golden eagles, among others.
How long we may have to walk like this? What is
You
the
have to walk around 1 kilometer, 800 meters, 2 kilometers, till the last point. From that point,
okay.
all peoples are going to mountains. The most is a professional alpinists. The most is a professional hiking peoples.
Okay.
And you know, if you will see right now, it's very peaceful place. But if you will see in the heart, it's very dangerous place for the peoples who don't know how to be in mountains. What to do in mountains?
Okay.
And
Is it because of landslides?
it's because of landslides and the mountains don't like the people who is not ready for that. If you are going somewhere, if you want to make some trip, you have to be ready for that.
And
First of all, emotionally.
respect nature.
Physically.
Okay. Okay.
In this place, you know, when in our country have some any summits, when we have some political meetings,
Okay.
the mostly the place is closing for that moment, and many politics are coming here just for not official meeting, and just walking here. So
I
if
see.
you will Google it, some famous politics in Alarcha, you will see it's Angela Merkel, Vladimir Putin, Nursultan Nazarbayev, Dmitry Medvedev. It's president of second president in Russia. He was ruled before Putin. Then it was period when the president was changed. In that moment was Dmitry Medvedev.
Okay. Okay.
And mostly Korean, Japanese, Indian delegation come when it's coming. They're here just not in official atmosphere.
Okay. Okay. This is Mr. Niket, our local guide from Kyrgyzstan, reporting to us. Thank you, Mr. Niket.
God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Very friendly man.
Yes, very friendly and very knowledgeable, and he is briefing us each and everything about the place that we are visiting.
Yeah, for example, like these people. See, they're coming from waterfall. They're coming from We have one place.
Huh.
It's a Ratzik point.
Rafting. Okay,
Ratzik,
okay.
Ratzik.
River rafting.
No, Ratzik.
Okay.
It's a
River rafting.
river rafting is very little bit dangerous
Okay.
because the river.
Hello. How was it? Good? Your experience? Super. Thank you. You are from? Bishkek. Okay. India. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. So it is coming so close to us, I think, no? Asking for food.
They are very friendly because every day they are looking for lots of tourists here.
Biscuits tintade. Actually, we are not supposed to feed the animals.
Just if we will give some seeds, she will come in your pen.
Yeah. Hello. You can see this water flowing in the form of a rivulet. Indeed, these are the waters from the melting of the snow in the mountains. The snow in the mountains melts and runs into a rivulet. The water from the mountains melts and runs into this rivulet. This is Ala Archa garden, and you see the melted snow flowing into a rivulet here. Yes. Ala Archa garden. Our friends are now on the small bridge here. Take it. So this is Ala Archa garden in Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan, and you see these mountain ranges. And this water is the melted snow from the mountain peaks. This water is the melted snow from the mountain peaks. Hi friends, this is supposed to be the largest mosque in Kyrgyzstan for the Sunni Muslims.
This is Central Mosque in the Bishkek.
Central Mosque.
Central Mosque,
Okay.
simple, and it was built in 2018 by Turkish people, and it was like a gift from Turkey to Kyrgyzstan.
Ah.
And if you will see on the capitals, on this temples, it's a typical copy of Blue Mosque in Istanbul.
Istanbul. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. The Central Mosque in Bishkek, the largest mosque. Sunni Muslims are the main devotees of this mosque. They come to offer prayers here in this mosque. I'm told mosque can accommodate 25,000 devotees in one session for their prayers. Look at the minaret. Premises of the Central Mosque here in Bishkek is quite spacious, as you can see. This is the Victory Square, a memorial erected for the martyrs of the Second World War. See the statue of two soldiers carrying war weapons. Hi friends, this is the eternal fire at the Victory Square, a memorial for the martyrs of the Second World War. The statue that you see here is that of a mother who is anxiously waiting for her soldier son to return from the war. Local guide tells us that if anyone tries to put out this eternal fire, such a person will be imprisoned for a period of 25 years. Hi friends, this is the National Museum in Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan. Horse is that of a national leader of Kyrgyzstan, Manna. Manna is the national leader of Kyrgyzstan. Here is the national flag of Kyrgyzstan flying high with the image of the sun in the center.
A peak of Manas in Kyrgyzstan is perhaps the most famous part of Kyrgyz culture and is arguably the longest epic poem in the world. At 20 times longer than the Odyssey, this epic tells the life of Manas, an epic warrior, and his son and grandson. The Friendship Monument in Bishkek was unveiled in 1974 to commemorate the 100th anniversary of Kyrgyzstan's voluntary accession to Russia. It stands as a testament to the bond of friendship between the Russian and the Kyrgyz people. The monument consists of two tall pylons crafted from white marble. These pillars are adorned with expressive high reliefs that depict figures symbolizing the Russian and Kyrgyz people. The monument sits in a quiet park with two 28-meter high white columns. Near to the base of the columns are sculptures of 13 figures which represent Russian and Kyrgyz people. At the front of the monument are two mothers holding hands, one Russian and one Kyrgyz. The Friendship Monument is not only a remarkable artistic creation, but also carries historical significance. It reflects the era when Kyrgyzstan was part of the Soviet Union and emphasizes the unity and cooperation between different ethnic groups within the Union. The White House is the presidential office building in Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan. The White House gained notoriety during the 2005 Tulip Revolution, when large-scale protests erupted in response to allegations of electoral fraud. Demonstrators rallied outside the building, demanding political change and the resignation of the incumbent president. Subsequently, in 2010, the White House became the center of attention once again during the Kyrgyzstani riots, characterized by widespread unrest and clashes between different ethnic groups. Tragically, during the 2010 riots, a fire broke out within the White House, resulting in significant damage to the building and the destruction of numerous government records. The building is 7 stories tall and built in Stalinist modern style. The exterior is covered in marble. The building was commissioned in 1976 and was completed in 1985. Deputies of the Supreme Council sit in the White House, and the President occupies part of the 7th floor.
Hi friends, we are waiting for the change of guard here in the public square, which is going to take place in a few minutes from now. The change of guards march fast has begun.